Hello, today I'll be taking you through the marketing section of Agile CRM. So let's get started. At the top of your bar, you have your global functions. You have your search button by clicking on the magnifying glass. You can access your calendar by clicking on the calendar icon and your tasks by clicking on the tasks icon at the top. To access any of the modules, click on the marketing button and select sales, marketing, or service. If you have live chat enabled, you'll see an icon here where you can click on the live chat icon and see any live chats that are active. Your recent contacts can be accessed by clicking on the Recents icon button and clicking. Again, the global Add button can be used from any screen within Agile CRM to add a contact, company, deal, event, tasks, notes, email, ticket, call, or document. And you can also access your settings through the avatar. By clicking on the avatar, you can get to your admin settings and your user preferences settings. This is your main dashboard. These are dashlets. To add a new dashlet, click on the Add Dashlet button. Select your category, click on Add, and you've just added a new dashlet to the dashboard. To modify your settings on any of your dashlets, click on the wrench icon and select your options. Your first icon is your contacts. This is where you can access all your contacts that are stored within Agile CRM. You can select all or select some icons and contacts, where you can add tags, remove tags, add to campaigns, start a call campaign, send an email, bulk update fields, export as a CSV, or even delete. You can also apply your filters by clicking on the Show Filters button and using our quick filters based on your criteria. To close it out, click on the X button to hide the filters. Click on the three dots to import contacts or to add a new dashlet. And you can also change your view from list view to grid view and even a map view. You can also sort your contacts using the list view. You can sort them by created date or a variety of other criteria. You can also create custom filters to filter your data, just like we did in the sales module section. To open a contact, simply click on the contact, and now you can reveal on the left-hand side all of the important contact information, such as the owner, any tags, the phone number, emails, and custom fields. Click on your timeline to get your 360 view of any activities that have occurred with a contact. Your notes will be stored for the contact under the Notes tab. Events will be stored under the Events tab. If you have any tasks that are associated with the contact, they will be stored here. To create a new task, simply click on the Add Task button and complete the fields, and click on Save. Deals can also be accessed for the contact, where you can add a deal or add a contact to an existing. Any campaigns associated with the contact will be listed under the Campaigns tab. Use your left and right buttons to scroll for more options. Your web stats. Once you've connected Agile CRM to your website and have sent the contact an email with a cookie, you will then be able to see their web stats under the Web Stats tab. All mails will be stored for the contact under the Mail tab, as well as documents And if you're using our service desk function, the tickets will be stored here as well. Notice on the right-hand side your widgets are enabled. To access your campaigns, click on the campaigns icon on the left. This will show you all the campaigns that are stored within Agile CRM. To create a new campaign, simply click on the Add Campaign button, and this will reveal our templates that are pre-populated and ready to go for you to use. Simply click on Go, and the campaign is already set up for you in a preloaded template. You can give it a name and even select a category if you'd like to do categories to organize your different campaigns. You can go through and modify each of the settings by simply clicking on the settings, making any changes, and click on Save. When you're done, click on the Save Campaign button. If you have the same campaign name, you do need to give it a new name. Click on the Save, and now you can either add the contacts manually to your campaign or set up a trigger that will automate the campaign. You can also click on the Close button. Click on your triggers, and this will now automate having your campaigns run for you. These are the list of all of your triggers that are set up within Agile CRM. If you'd like to add a new trigger, click on the Add Trigger button and select your category. Click on Go, give it a name, and then you can select the event that will actually start the campaign. Email templates can be accessed by clicking on the Email Templates icon on the left-hand side. Click on Email Templates, and the list of your email templates are now available. You can select all or some to delete. Simply click on Yes. If you'd like to add a new email template, you can click on Add Email Template. This will give you our predefined templates. You can create a custom email or a simple email. By clicking on the simple email, give it a name, give it a subject line. If you use categories, you can select the category in the next field below, and you can even use merge fields. You can also add an attachment by clicking on the Add Attachment button and click on Save. Your new email template is now saved and ready to be used. Agile CRM has the ability to allow you to send videos as well. Click on the videos icon, and you will see all the videos that you have recorded. To add a new video, simply click on the Add Video, give it a name, and you can begin recording a video. These are great to add into emails and onto web pages. Using Agile forms are easy and simple way to gather information on your contacts by simply having a form that is predefined that is connected directly to Agile CRM. These are the list of all of your forms that are already within Agile. To create a new form, click on the Add Form button. You can select from one of our predefined templates, and then you can begin to modify them with radios and checkboxes, drop-down text, individual text, buttons, or other input fields. Simply click and drag the information that you would like to have and title it. You can then map it to a specific field within Agile and make it either required or a not required field. Click on Save. When you're done, click on the Save button again, and now you can even preview and get notifications when the form has been completed. Click on the Landing Pages icon to create a new landing page that can be either published to your website or used from within Agile CRM. This is the list of all of your landing pages. From here you can select individual landing pages and delete them, or you can add a new landing page by clicking on the Add Landing Page button. This will take you to a new dialog box where you can start to build out your own landing page. Selecting the All Blocks will allow you to click and drag any option and pull it into your landing page. Now you can go through and edit and change the text, colors, or design. If you wish to delete the block, you can click on the Remove and select Delete Block. Click on the Save. Give your landing page a name and click on Save. After it is saved, it will ask you if you'd like to publish it to your web page or if you'd like to preview it. You can close out the window, click on your back button, and this will take you back to the list of all of your landing pages that you can modify, delete, or even sort using the drop-down option. Click on the Help video to get additional information on how to use landing pages. Web rules are a great way to engage your customers as they land onto your website. This is the list of all of your web rules that are already in Agile. To create a new web rule, click on Add Web Rule. Select your category to use any of the predefined templates that are built into Agile CRM. Once you've selected the one that you like, click on the Go button. Give it a name. Tell it what page you would like to be on. And then select your options. You can then modify or change anything within here that you'd like. Down below, we'll give you the options of where to show your web rule, or your pop-up in this case, how long to wait, and any redirecting URLs. Click on the Preview button to get a sample. If you want to add additional actions, click on the Add Action, and now you can select more options with your web rules. Click on your Save button, and you're able to save all of your web rules. For more information, click on the video window on the right-hand side, which will show you how to set up a tracking code so that you can include web rules into your website. Push notifications can be also generated from within Agile CRM. This is the list of all of your push notifications. You can select all or one and delete and modify your existing push notifications. To test your push notifications, use the icon, select a contact filter, and then select Send Push Notifications. To create a new push notification, click on the Add Push Notification button. Give it a name, a title, a message, the destination URL of the web page that you'd like this to be located on. You can even upload an image and track the activity. Notice you'll see your preview on the right-hand side. Click on your saved notification, and the notifications will now be active on your website. Click on your social button to set up your social suite, where you can set up Twitter feeds to monitor specific keywords or other information that's important to you or your business. To add a new stream, click on the Add Stream, select your network, provide your authentication information, and authorize the app. To see your visitor information, click on the visitor icon on the left-hand side. These will be visitors that have received a cookie through an email that you have sent them, and you can even select different durations or custom time frames. Use your options on the left-hand side to filter any of the information contained. You can add tags or even add visitors to a campaign based on criteria that you set on the left-hand side. To view activities, simply click on the activities icon, and this will default you to the user activities from within Agile CRM. Select on the contact activities to see the activities of your individual contacts. And you can use the drop-down to select page views, email opens and clicks, unsubscriptions, spam reports, hard and soft bounces. To return to your user activities, click on the User Activities button. To get to the reporting, click on the Reports icon on the lower left-hand corner and select your activities, campaigns, or even set up reports via email. Simply click on the category, add the report, give it a name, set your conditions, and then include your fields. Include an email address to where you want it to be sent to, and how often you would like the report to be generated and emailed. Click on the Advanced button to set your time zone and the time that you'd like the email to be generated. Click on your Save button, and that will return you back to your main reports menu. If you need further help or have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Agile CRM support at agilecrm.com/support.